What if I tell you that you can earn hundreds of dollars just for scrolling and watching YouTube videos? Yeah, I am not kidding, many people are already earning money for watching YouTube videos, including me. So why can't you? Stick with the video till the end and I will show you step by step how to earn money from YouTube videos. And you do not need to create your own videos to earn money. Before moving the video, consider hitting the subscribe button if you want to learn about new ways to earn money online. Now without further ado, let's dive into the video. So on your screen, you can see I have opened YouTube as it's about making money from YouTube. Now I want you to comment down below what kind of entertainment video you watch most on YouTube. Like, do you watch gaming videos, comedy videos, roast videos, or prank videos? For me, I watch gaming videos most on YouTube, and millions of people search for gaming videos on YouTube and other search engines. In a while I will show you the search volume for gaming videos. We will be using that search volume to earn hundreds of dollars per month. Make sure to watch the video till the end. If I click on the gaming category on YouTube, I can see the gaming category has more than 90 million subscribers. Almost every video in this category has millions of views, like this one, this one, this one. There's a huge source of traffic, so why not just use this traffic to earn money online? No, I am not going to tell you to start making gameplay videos. I will show you how to use these pre-existing videos for your own use in a legal way. Now if I search for the most popular games of 2021 on Google, it will show me popular games that people love playing and watching in 2021. My favorite game of 2021 is Resident Evil. Tell me in the comments section below about your favorite game. Let's search money traffic of Resident Evil on Google Keywords Planner. You can see right here Resident Evil has monthly searches of 1 million. Let's see the search volume for another popular game, Hitman 3. Hitman 3 has around 100k monthly searches, so you can see people love to watch videos related to gameplay. Now it's time to monetize this traffic and earn money from it. Now let's get back to YouTube and search for Resident Evil gameplay. It will be showing every video related to Resident Evil. Choose any of these videos that you like, but make sure the video that you have chosen has a minimum million views. I am using Resident Evil for this video, but you can use any game that you like or any other category that you want to watch. Now the biggest question that will be coming to your mind will be how I am going to earn money through these videos. Let me tell you straight away that we are going to earn money by sharing links to these videos. But you may have a doubt. I don't know how I am going to share these links and earn money from them. You don't need a website or a big following to earn money from these videos. I will show you a free and easy method. Now I want you to visit this site called shrinkearn.io. Shrinkearn is a link shortener website that will shorten any link and will put an ad in that link. And when people click on that link, you earn money from it. Let's just say I want to share this video. I will copy this video link like this. I will log in myself to shrinkearn.io. If you want to know how to make an account on Shrinkearn, you can see the video that is showing on the iCard. I will paste the link and click on shorten. Now my link has been created. I will copy the link and we are going to share the video on the internet for free. I want you to go to Google and search for Resident Evil forums. You will find many forums related to Resident Evil. Open any of these forums and you will see that a lot of people are discussing Resident Evil. Now you can also become part of their discussion and share the link. The more people that will click on your link, the more money you will make out of it. So make sure to join a lot of forums and be a part of their discussion and earn money. So in this way, you can earn money for watching videos on YouTube. You don't need to create your own videos or website. You can start earning money for free from pre-existing videos and forums that are available on the internet and YouTube. You should try at least 10 to 15 different games so that you can earn a huge amount of money just by simply sharing links. You can redeem your money directly to your PayPal account. If you want to earn more money, click and watch the videos that are showing on your screen right now. Hit like, share, and subscribe for more money-making videos. I will meet you with another video. Take care.